How dare you? How freaking dare you? You just showed up and you just didn't even give me a birthday gift on my birthday of my birthday party. If you know where that's from, then you're cool. Okay. You're just gonna straight up attack me like you always do, but this time physically. I hate teasers, bro, because it literally does what it does, where you get teased, and I think that's dumb. I think teasers are dumb because it puts me in my feelings, and I don't know what to do with them. And now I have to wait. When did this come out? The 18th? Going crazy like I have a loose screw, maniac. Okay. I was gonna say, they've used this set so many times, no? I've definitely seen Stray Kids in a subway, like at least twice, maybe? I don't know if it's a music video or maybe Kingdom or something like that. I don't know. Is it just me? Let's go. That bright red hair, though. Interesting. Based on the teaser, I'm not even sure if this is gonna be my favorite one off the album. Cause I already like Spiderweb. Spiderweb go hard already. Even though I don't like spiders, like hold on. This already is fire to me. Like when I first heard, that's why I did their whole reaction. I was like, But I think every track is gonna feel a little bit different either way. Oh, bro, if they use that horn more too. Look at his arm, bro. I said this in my reaction video, but Mans has been working. And then they came out with Lonely Street, which I remember watching, but I don't remember much of. It's definitely a... I'll rewatch it, actually. Oh my god, you good? Yo, question. His lips are hella dehydrated. Obviously, hopefully that's just from like... I'm so sorry for pausing on that. I had to... Oh, Lonely Street. He's struggling right now. Oh, they all struggling. Oh. Oh, hold up. It's one of those. Okay. Sad songs. Oh, let's go. You know, I watched this already, but I didn't really like engulf myself into this like I just did now. I think I was doing something else while watching it. That's why I have to like actually pay attention. What happened, my guy? Stray Kids everywhere around the world. You make Stray Kids stay, and that's truth. Yeah. Real talk. Freezes. Oh, this is called Freeze? You tell me this is gonna kill me. You tell me this is gonna kill me. Bet. Let's see what happens. I'm not gonna make one face. I'm not gonna even make one reaction. Oh, I just made a reaction. I'm dumb. All right, you got me. I just got triggered by like the scarring. I was like, oh. Oh, I see what you're talking about. I see. Hold on. Okay, we on some mafia, like, you know, some drug lord-ish. Hey, that's a true homie. You know what? I like that. He fixed his tie. You know what? Not many people will do that for you. He said, hey, man. Hey, look better. There you go. You good. Oh, shit. What is that? That better not be urine. I swear to God. Ew, why you smile? What the hell just escalated? Ah, dang. Bro, I swear I've been seeing Prada more and more in the fashion industry. Bro, their aim is off. They look good though. Ooh, this might be interesting. On some Skrillex type of ish, bro. Not sure yet. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but the whole concept and everything sounds cool. I mean, hopefully there's a music video for it. I don't know, but Maniac looks cool too. I don't know. Stray Kids. I feel like Stray Kids been killing it over the years. This shit might go fire out too. Damn. That I hear everything too. Oh, and the mashup. I'll check out the mashup. Yeah. Interesting. Hi there. How are you? What's up, King XOXO? How you doing? Honestly, the prettiest. They stepped it up. God's Menu onwards. You think they stepped it up? I still listen to God's Menu compared to the other stuff. Oh no. Let me take that back. Thunderous is nice. Oh. Oh, and this is all the songs that are coming out later. What's the song that's actually playing right now? It's literally like all of them put together. So we got Charmer. Changben, Hyojin, Han, Felix. Ooh, shout out to Demon Slayer, bro. Lonely Street. Also, literally a mix mashup of all their songs. Yeah, that's crazy. That's cool. I like the concept. Ah, what an interesting way to show off all of your songs, but not showing off a lot. Cool. I like that. I remember when Elevator first came out, that was fire, but I don't know what happened between then. But then when God's Menu came out, the whole album just sounded like fire to me. I don't know. I think I was a casual fan, then I became a fan, and now I'm stuck between fan and stan, I guess. First time ever catching on Twitch, man. Hey, well, welcome. This is Twitch, where I do K-pop, a mixture of games, anime, and stuff. Mostly K-pop, because that's where my audience is. But, you know, if you want to know a little bit more about me, then stay and enjoy your time. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Hey, you better subscribe.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.